Welcome to Slide Bazaar's PowerPoint for Pros, a video series that will help you become better at PowerPoint. In this video, let's learn about the different ways you can merge shapes in PowerPoint. But before that, check out Slide Bazaar's free PowerPoint add-in to get presentation templates, themes, and other design tools, along with an AI-powered presentation creator. Check out the add-in for free using the link in the description. Anyway, let's move on to the video. In PowerPoint, merging shapes allows you to create unique visuals and custom graphics by combining, modifying, or separating different shapes. As you can see, you can easily create new shapes for your designs using merge tools. But knowing which type of merge you should use is key. In this video, I will explain the types of merges available in PowerPoint. To find merge, you must have more than one shape selected. Then go to the Shape Format tab and find the Merge Shapes option there. Here are the primary types of merge shapes. Union combines multiple selected shapes into one cohesive shape, removing any overlapping lines. If you have two shapes with different colors, the new shape will have the color of the first shape you selected before merging them. Combine merges shapes while subtracting any overlapping areas. This creates a more intricate design by leaving only the non-overlapping portions. Just like before, the color of the final shape will depend on the color of the first shape you selected. Fragment breaks shapes into smaller pieces at every intersection, allowing you to manipulate individual components independently. Next, Intersect retains only the overlapping area of the selected shapes, resulting in a distinct new shape from the intersection. Now, in Subtract, the first shape selected remains, while the overlapping areas of the other selected shapes are removed from it. This feature is ideal for creating custom cutout designs or silhouettes. Well, that's pretty much it. You can use these merge shapes during your workflow to create new shapes and designs for your slides. If you've got questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out Slide Bazaar's free PowerPoint add-in. The link will be in the description.